Hi, my name is Khadisha Dabayeva and I am from Almaty, Kazakhstan. My volunteer activities began in 2010 when, being inspired by my classmate, I started to teach mathematics and English for orphan children. Then I participated in theater performances in hospital for children with cancer. Through the fundraiser Warm Winter and Food Charity Fair project, annually helped around 30 families obtain warm clothing and helped 3 people with leukemia to undergo treatment. This experience has changed my perspective of life, because I started to care not only about myself but also serve others. Making positive changes in others' life and to see smiles, I think, are the most gratifying aspects of being a volunteer. Currently, I am focused on organizing women's streetball tournament at Nazarbayev University and opening a tennis club, which will contribute to achieving the goal of youth involvement in sport. As a civil engineering student, I conduct research concerning the use of technologies in water scarcity management and work on the Eco Village project for Expo 2017. Sometimes it is difficult to spend more time on all planned goals due to my studies, but I have found a way to combine my enthusiasm and academics. I am going to get a degree in environmental engineering in order to improve the environmental state in Kazakhstan. I believe that if people want to change the world, they should start with themselves. Being a volunteer makes changes in not only community but also leads to the self-development. Therefore, experience from such events enhances my horizons and motivates me to set higher goals. The Global Youth Summit will give me a unique opportunity to interact with like-minded young people, establish professional ties, and gain valuable experience. Also, it will allow me to share my experience as the one conducting the research related to environment issues. Thank you for your attention.